Good morning, friends. How are you all? Welcome to my channel, Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well on this gloomy morning. It's so gloomy today, so cold. I'm just shivering and didn't feel like coming out of my bed today. It was so cozy to be on the bed and be under a blanket, but it is becoming very cold. We all need to take care of our health and drink all warm things. And also you can see from the window how gloomy it looks from outside. I've just opened the blinds, but I'm shivering like anything. It's so cold. So friends, today I'll be sharing you a recipe of how to make pancakes at home, and these are Indian pancakes. They are even known as dosa. And I'll be sharing how to do it from scratch, and it is very healthy because there's lentils, there's rice, there's quinoa also, friends, and I've added some fenugreek seeds also, and I've soaked them overnight. And this is how I start, and let's come into my kitchen. So here I've soaked quinoa, white dal, white lentils and fenugreek seeds, and over here I've soaked white rice, and this is the regular basmati rice. Now I'll be puring it, taking this and making it into a nice puree. Now I'll just rinse this because there is a little quinoa and all stuck to it. So I'll just rinse it and pour little water. We just need to add little water so that it purees well. So now I'll just start, and I'll say 3 and I'll say 4 beats. It'll get little more water so that it can become little more easy to puree it. So here is the puree. It came out in a very good consistency. It should be like this. Now I'm adding the rice into the mixie, into the grinder. I'm adding even some water so that it gets grinded well. I'm puring it now very well. I think it's almost done. Rice with the flour which I pureed it. This is how its consistency looks. It's very nice consistency. This is how it looks after it's pureed, and this is how it looks. Now I'll add 1 spoon of salt. So now I'm adding 1 spoon of salt, and I'll leave it overnight for fermenting. So you don't have to keep this in the fridge. For fermenting, you can keep this out overnight. And now that the weather is so cold in America, but the houses are warm, so it will still ferment, and I'll show you how it looks tomorrow morning. So this is the lentils and rice pancake mixture. I'll be putting this on the pan, and it got fermented so well. Now I'll put it on the hot pan. I've taken a non-stick over here. See how nicely it's sizzling. Just make it a round shape. Give it a round... See how nice they are coming. So you just need to do it in your direction with the ladle. And that's it. Now we'll let it rest for 2 or 3 minutes. Now I'm adding cheese, and children love cheese. Here are the cheese. It will give a nice cheese and rice pancake. And this is very healthy, and you can pack this for children lunches at school. It will be so yummy, and the kiddos will enjoy at school, and the other children will say, wow, what are you eating? It's so cheesy and nice. So now I've twisted it, I've turned it upside down. Now the cheese part is getting cooked. See, the cheese has melted so quickly. Now we'll just fold it. So now I folded it. Now I turn it upside down just to cook it again, and then with the help of the spatula, I'm pouring it into the plate. Enjoy! So saw friends how easy it was to do, and children will love it because there's cheese on it and you all can eat it anyhow. And I have already showed how adults and people who don't like cheese can eat it with pinto beans. I've shared my recipe before, just 2 or 3 days back, I guess, or one day before, I'm not sure. So this is how you can eat it with pinto beans. You can share it with ketchup. You can make your own dip of avocado sauce or whatever dip you like, chipotle sauce and ranch and all, and mix it and eat it. But I've shared before also how you can make potatoes with it. Potato sabji and potato vegetable goes very well with it, and it is so yummy on a early morning breakfast, and this is how it is done. So okay friends, then take care and stay warm. Weather is becoming really cool and cold. Just take care of yourselves and be warm. Keep drinking hot beverages, hot teas, hot soups. I've showed you a lot of recipes, friends, and how you can make immunity drinks and all. So keep taking warm things, keep making good hot foods. Don't try to eat anything cold, and stay healthy and warm. Okay, friends, if you have liked it, please like it, share it, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.